chica.
So today I'm back here in my house because there's a lot of measurements that need to be done. We have electricity, we have the karaoke system, we have the partition wall, and ID is here as well to coordinate the whole thing. They're doing their discussion on the wiring of the karaoke now. So they do all the marking, they mark the TV. The measurements really have to be accurate. We have to imagine all the measurements and then after that put all the switches. Look at the wiring points. So we wanted to put some plugs on these walls here. What I'll do is 我会 run 一个 multi-plug and hide inside your table console. So we're discussing the works for the dining area. Because we have an arch over here, we're going to do line 8. Dangerous. So we're discussing how to put the aircon. Because this beam here, we're going to do the aircon one here and then one on this side as well. And then we'll do another aircon over here. So they will run the aircon, the piping across, they build a lintel, then they run and then it will come here. So I'm here again to check out the electrical works that have been done over the past few days. And you can see works have already been completed, kinda. The wiring has been done on the walls. Here is where our cabinets will be. The electricians already ran all these electrical points, so you can see all dangling from the ceiling with those coming out from the walls. Background noise is probably a bit too loud because they are still cutting all the tiles for our bathroom. But generally all the wires have already been put out. Our kitchens, as you can see, is also being wired along the walls and appliances. It's a bit noisy, let's go out, let's go out. It's another Sunday afternoon, we're here in our house. Partitions has already been done up already. I didn't even notice because we just did it over and we didn't realize there was a hole before. And doors are in the midst of doing. So this is our arch doors. So they need to put the arch here, put the concrete, then remove the arch before building onto the doors. Let's go and take a look at the kitchen as well. Kitchen wise, they have already done up the grouting. So it looks amazing. Everything looks so flush with a whole creamy look. So this is where the arch dry pantry area will be. So they have cut out this nice shape. I think this is styrofoam, I'm not sure what this is. But I think later on they will fill up with something and it will hopefully look good. Initially here was a corner and then they did a curve just to smooth out and make the whole room a little bit nicer. Okay, we'll be taking a look at the aircon first. They got a lot of brands here. They got Toshiba, Panasonic, but the more popular ones are Mitsubishi, LG, and yeah, Daikin.
In a house where we just want to have cold aircon. Coming to you soon.
After our last discussion with the aircon guys, the piping has already been done up and boxed up. Over here you can see this green beam. This is the lintel that kind of separates the study room as well as the living space here. But of course it's not going to be so ugly over here. We will have partition to cover up everything and well, I don't know how it's gonna look like. I'm here in the evening, it's pretty dark, but the false ceiling structure has already been built. So they use this metal thing, I'm not sure whether you can see it now. It looks pretty well done, man. Pretty surprised myself. But it's getting late, I better get out of here, if not it's too creepy. This is after week 3, progress is pretty good. We already have all the ceiling structures being done up. Our arch also has been done up here. Wiring, aircon pipings, toilet towels, arch, everything is kind of completed. They even did this little shower thing for us. Okay, so over here when they do the arch, right, not only did they fill up the concrete over here, but they also fill up and cut out the tiles just to nicely fit this door. And let's see the progress on the other rooms. Actually, I really like this toilet a lot. I like the tiles, the large format tiles, the marble looking, premium looking kind of feel. And yeah, this one we didn't opt for the arch, we did a fluted glass instead. Didn't want to spend additional money for the arch. I'll probably come over to the house the next few weeks just to check the progress again because I want to see how the false ceiling is being done up. I want to make sure that all the measurements of where the fan, the aircon will be and make sure everything is in place. You know, I'm kind of worried, you know, what if everything goes out of place? I think it's important to get your project timeline all set out so you know when to move all your furniture, your appliances in, especially your TV, your internet connection, etc. So let's see the progress in the next few weeks. Let's go!